today I'm going to continue my series. It's called One Day, One Picture. But for the ones of you who are new here, we are going on to February. And well, basically it's each day, Choky draws another picture like the cherry we've drawn 2 days ago, I mean. Yeah, so like that. And today it's February, the day Choky has her birthday. Yay! Clue: who is good at maths will understand. 14 minus 2 equals my birthday day. Yes, that's true. Well, anyway, today we are gonna do a blueberry. And yeah, every month I'm going to make myself a unique hair clip like this one. Look. Isn't it cute? It's based off my froggy drawing that I did back on the 18th of January. So yeah, today it's the 1st of February, my favorite day of the week, Thursday. So yeah, where's the pen? Oh, here it is. Every new month, I'll make myself one. And because in January I didn't make so yeah, by the end of this year, I have 11 DIY hair clips. I got it. Let's celebrate. Woo! Choky, don't forget that. So yeah, time to do the number 1 day of February, my favorite month, because I think the 22 in our school we are having a carnival, and I'm coming as my OC. If somebody doesn't understand original character, the one that I made up is a cat named Vanilla, and I'm super happy about it. So yeah, we are back to doing the JUVYSADOMIMA and LU. If somebody doesn't understand, I live in Spain. Yeah, that's kind of true. So yeah, calendar from Spain, cool. Choky here with the calendar from Spain. Yeah, it is. And so it is lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, and domingo. Yay. Okay, so time for the blueberry. Blueberry. I'm a beatboxing blueberry. I just reminded them meme. Okay, so first with the face. So yeah, like this. We are going to change it a bit like this, and now like this. The blueberry is done. Now for the sparkly spots. We are going to do a sparkle and 2 dots, which make a spot. 2 dots. Sparkle, 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 2 dots. Cool. Okay, so for today's episode, we are done. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Froggy hopes you enjoyed too. Thanks for watching. Bye.